Hi guys, welcome back to Kpopandkurls. My name is DeAndre. This is an aloe vera leaf that I got from my local grocery store, and it is from Mexico. I'm introducing it as if it's going to start talking about its own life and like it has its own background story. So with the aloe vera leaf, I plan to make a hair growth elixir, and aloe vera has such great benefits for the hair. It smooths and it has enzymes that help the hair moisturize and be more conditioned, and in return making it smooth, silky, and soft. So that is something I am looking forward to. In this video you will see that I will be making the elixir, but in another video you will see I am actually using it, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so first step, make sure you have a blender. That will be very much needed. I also purchased 2 bottles, but I found myself only using one of them. The spray bottle works best in this situation. And as you can see, I have a big strainer with small holes. The aloe vera can have some stuff in it left over, so you're gonna want to strain that and put it in a container. So I've got my aloe vera leaf. And I will be making a small cut. This is best to make a small cut because you're going to want to shave out the aloe vera gel from the green part, and then push out that aloe vera and put it into a cup or straight into your blender. I've always had trouble with the end pieces, but just do your best to cut out the edges and then take a spoon and just scoop out what you can get from the end piece. As you can see, it is very sticky, and doing this method of carving it out really helps to get all the aloe vera from the inside of the leaf. So what I was going to originally do was put a jelly in the bottle that has the long nozzle at the end of it. I was going to put the jelly in there and then put the aloe vera water in my spray, but instead, as you can see, I had only half of the aloe vera plant in the red cup, and you'll see me blend only that half. But what I ended up doing was I just put all of the aloe vera into the blender and strained it, and you'll see how much one aloe vera leaf makes up in the end. 내게 주어진 길들만 볼 수 있다면 나는 지의 망설임도 없이 그 길로 가진 않을 거야. One more time, I don't know what you say, don't lie. 시간은 11시를 넘어서 내 clock. Remind your memory for your everything. Time to go to bed, oh yeah. 내게 멀어지던 너를 찾아. You know I found you on the line.
쓸데없이 길어 내 방에 켜진 불로 벌레처럼 모이는 기억 난 어렸을 때부터 벌레들이 너무 싫어 불을 꺼버리고 모여들은 생각을 다 비워 이렇게 보내버린 밤이 대체 얼마나 쌓였지 쌓인 밤들의 가시에 찔렸었다 겁지 옛날에 인천에 있던 존나 좁은 작업실 문을 열면 구워 삶은 밤이 쏟아져 나왔지 그때 내 밤은 그렇게 길지가 않았거든 아침이 되면 눈부셔서 쳐버렸어 커튼 난 아직 써야 할 가사들이 너무 많았거든 이제
I didn't know aloe vera was pink. I feel like I had a slight feeling that I knew it was pink, but kind of, I don't remember. I usually see it like a clear or brownish color. This is pretty.
난 필요해 그때 밤새서 마치던 조각이 지금 느끼는 몇 시간이 그때 몇 초 같지 그러니까 좀만 기다려달라고 지금의 내 모습에 너무 실망한 걸 알아 내 밤이 이제 더 이상 두렵지가 않다면 그 가시들을 전부 떼버리고 나를 안아 널 잃어버린 바로 헤매어 너를 찾아 You know I found you online.
And so this is why I call this a hair elixir, because I add 100% pure peppermint essential oil to the aloe vera. And I feel like the aloe vera gives me the healing effect that I need, while the peppermint gives me the cooling effect. And with the cooling effect, my pores will open up and let the aloe vera do its job. That plant that you saw earlier in this video in a tiny bottle, this is basically what I got out of that plant, which is about 5 ounces. So this is the final product that I will be using on my natural hair, and I am excited. As you saw, I did put a little bit of peppermint oil, only 3 drops. You don't want it to be too overpowering, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.